Today we're going to talk about 7.2e, which is order of operations. So in order of operations, we follow parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or also known as PEMDAS. So if I have a problem, okay, I have to follow these rules to make sure that I'm going to be able to do these problems correctly. So first things first, I'm going to start with parentheses, okay, and I'm going to rewrite my problem. So first, I do what's in the parentheses. So I look in these parentheses and I see there's two operations, okay. There's addition and there's my exponent. I need to start with my exponent, okay. So I need to rewrite 4 plus 4, and that's because this little 2 tells me how many times I'm going to write that big 2, and we know 2 times 2 is 4. Then I can rewrite times 6 plus 4. I'm going to do each level in a different color. So next level, okay, I do what's in the parentheses. There's no multiplication in the parentheses, no division, and there is addition. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Then I'm going to rewrite it times 6 plus 4. Okay, then I'm going to look into my order of operations, and I'm going to go ahead and cross off that I did my parentheses, exponents, now my multiplication. Okay, now 8 times 6 is 48, so I'm going to rewrite 48 plus 4. Okay, so I did my multiplication. Now there's no division. I'm going to look for addition. 48 plus 4 should be 52. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and write this again. With every problem, if you write it, you'll never forget your steps, and you'll always remember which step that you're on and which step you need to do. So here, I'm going to do 8 plus 3 minus 4 times 5 plus 7. Okay? So, first, I need to do what's in parentheses, which is 8 plus 3. And that's going to give me 11. I'm going to do that in this color. And my 2, my little exponent now attaches to the 11. Okay? I'm going to put minus 4 times 5 plus 7. Okay? 11 squared, I'm going to write over here, is 11 times 11. Okay, 11 times 11 is 121. So we have 121 minus 4 times 5 plus 7. Okay, now I'm going to do my multiplication. So I have my multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20, so I have 121 minus 20 plus 7. Okay, so I've done my parentheses, my exponents, I've done my multiplication. There's no division. I'm going to look for addition and subtraction. Now, it goes addition and subtraction, but it doesn't mean that you do addition first. Once you are just left with addition and subtraction, just like in this problem, we are left with addition and subtraction, okay, we are going to work left to right. So first we're going to subtract 121 from 20, and we're going to subtract 20 from 121, and we're going to get 101 plus 7, which equals 108. Okay? Now those are just a few examples of order of operations. This is something you just really need to practice. There are tons and tons of equations out there. Let me actually just do one that I know gave people trouble in class with and was on the test. And I'm not sure if this is right, but so here we have, we're going to do our PEMDAS. And first we're going to do parentheses. So we have 8 plus 12, which is 20 squared. Okay? So whatever is on the top there, you're going to do. Okay? So we did our parentheses on the top. Now we're going to do our exponents. 20 squared is going to give us 400. Okay? Divided by 4 over 2. So we did our exponents. There's no multiplication, but there is division. 400 divided by 4 is going to give us 100 over 2. Okay, now remember, just like when we talked about fractions, fractions are division. So you're going to see how many times 2 goes into 100. And of course 2 goes into 100 50 times. Okay, and that's going to be your answer there. that's just a little bit of order of operations, and I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.